This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Blocks World, an easy guide for everyone. Blocks World is a fantastic virtual building game offering immense creative freedom. You can construct anything from simple houses to elaborate cities using its diverse block types. This guide will walk you through the entire process, from downloading the game to starting your first build, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience. Get ready to unleash your imagination and build truly amazing things. To begin, you'll need to download the game. Visit the official Blocks World website or your device's app store. Look for the download button compatible with your operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or a mobile platform. Follow the clear on-screen instructions for installation. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of free storage space available on your device for a seamless setup. It's a straightforward process, and you'll be ready to play in no time. Once installed, launch Blocks World and you'll be prompted to create an account. Choose a unique username and a strong, secure password to protect your creations. If you already have an account, simply log in. After setting up, we highly recommend completing the interactive tutorial. It takes about 15 minutes and will teach you all the essential controls and building mechanics, making your initial experience much smoother and more enjoyable. You'll be building like a pro very soon. Now for the fun part, exploring and building. Blocks World offers a vast library of hundreds of unique blocks and tools to bring your visions to life. You can join public servers to collaborate with other players or create your own private worlds for solo projects or building with friends. Experiment with different block textures, colors, and materials to add incredible detail to your structures. The possibilities are truly endless, so dive in and start creating your masterpiece today.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.